you currently own a home and are thinking about some options maybe to tap into the equity of your current home to see if it can help you with the purchase of your next home. So I'm here with Rick Waldron of Guaranteed Rate Affinity. And Rick, today I wanted to talk about home equity lines of credit or some other options like maybe cash out refinancing or something. But basically, how can we help people find money in their current home to help them buy the next one?
Yeah, it's a great time to take out a home equity line of credit. According to Black Knight, in a recent report, that average equity in homes has risen from $231,000 to $249,000. Okay. Tappable equity, defined by retaining 20% equity in your home, increased from $185,000 to $199,000. So current homeowners have as much equity as they've ever had.
And when you say tappable, does that mean the amount that you can actually access?
Above and beyond retaining 20% equity in your home, that's what you can tap into.
Okay, so is it an easy process to go through? I mean, I have a home equity loan in my own home, but it's an old line. I forget completely the process, and I'm sure it's probably changed since I last had one.
Yeah, you have to be underwritten, so the bank has to ensure that you can qualify. However, again, with current homeowners having as much equity as they have, that does help. A lot of cases, given that fact, the bank's only going to require a drive-by appraisal. In some cases, a full appraisal is required. But from verifying the actual collateral, it is a little easier because, again, in most cases, just a drive-by is required.
Okay, they literally just drive by the house then and take a look at it.
Make sure the property's there.
Yeah, and so the appraisal, then that's something that the homeowner would pay. Then as kind of like their closing costs, I assume, too, with the home equity line.
Correct. Yeah, usually on a home equity line of credit, in comparison to a first mortgage, the costs are lower. Okay. In some cases, the bank actually pays those costs for you.
Okay, that does sound like a good idea then. So it sounds like a fairly straightforward process and something worth checking out if you kind of want to leverage your home's current equity to help pay for like a down payment on your next home, maybe, or something.
Correct. Yeah.
Along that line. Definitely.
You could use it as a bridge as well if you have an existing home equity line of credit and you decide to purchase a new home. Okay. And perhaps you want to purchase that new home before you've sold the departure home. Mm-hmm. You could tap into the home equity line of credit, use that more or less as a bridge loan until that home sells.
Okay, so it's really good opportunity, even if you're not moving right now, but ideally it would be a good way to check into the tap into that equity of your home.
And of course you always want to have some sort of an emergency type of line of credit set up just in case. So if you have the ability and you have the equity, why not have that equity line in place? Again, you're only going to pay the interest if you, in fact, use it.
Awesome. Okay. Well, thanks, Rick. That was very helpful. If you have any questions, please go ahead and put them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Take care. Have a great day.